Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jorge. So when I lived in Seattle, I lived in a couple of small apartments and townhouses, and one of the things that I learned is that I really need to be smart about my space. So today I want to share with you a couple of IKEA items that will make the most out of your space and make it look nice. Okay, so let's start off with number one, and that is the BRIMNES cabinet. Now, I apologize if I pronounce these wrong. I will put them up on the screen. Now, this has been at IKEA for some time now, at least here in the States. It comes in black, dark gray, and white. And I used this in my previous apartment as like an entryway console slash pantry. It was a weird situation, but it worked. You can basically put this anywhere you like: living room, bedroom, home office. And currently I actually put two together to make like a larger sideboard slash credenza for the home office. Now I've seen some people online where they do some cane or rattan hacks to the door front. I think it looks kind of nice. But definitely this is a piece that you should keep in mind. When living in a small apartment or space, we definitely want to take advantage of our vertical space. So that is why you need a shelf unit. A shelf unit will help you really maximize that without really drilling any holes. And that's why I like the VITTSJO shelf. Let me see if I can pronounce it. VITTSJO. Now I'll put it up on the screen, but this shelf unit is amazing. This one looks more expensive than it actually costs, which is great. One thing I will say about this, or any shelf in particular, is you definitely want to maybe add some boxes just to hide some of the clutter, because let's face it, things can get a little messy sometimes. Just one thing to keep in mind, but definitely save this one on your list. Since we want to get the most out of our spaces, we want to make sure that we're utilizing the space underneath the bed. And the SOCKERBIT storage box is perfect for storing items that you might not use frequently, or maybe you do use frequently, like shoes. It'll keep everything clean and organized, because let's face it, it gets dusty down there. So this is perfect. Put your seasonal decor, winter gear, things like that. Definitely don't pass up on this box with a lid. Okay, so when it comes to seating, the FRIHETEN sofa I think is a good contender. This sofa comes in a couple different fabrics. I like the dark gray. My friend actually had it, and what I love about it is that it comes with storage, which is perfect for a small space. And since it converts into a bed, this is perfect for hosting guests. So dining room tables are kind of interesting because some people use them, some people don't. But regardless, they do take up a lot of space, it seems like. So the NORDEN table is perfect for that. Now this table essentially folds flat, so it definitely saves you space, but you can open it up if you need extra dining space or maybe extra workspace. I love it, and it comes in a natural wood and I think white. Maybe your small apartment or studio doesn't have an entryway closet, so the PINNIG coat rack is perfect. Not only does it have a coat rack, but it also has shoe storage and a bench all in one. So you can use this in an entryway to gather all those items. I've also seen this used to organize home gym items, so if you're into that, look into it for sure. Alright, now I'm obsessed with this next piece, and I think it's one of the newer items. It's called the GAMLEHULT Ottoman. And you might have seen this already, but this piece is amazing because it is hand woven rattan, and not only does it look nice, but it's also functional. It serves as an ottoman and it has storage inside, so you can use this for extra seating in your living space, or maybe even as a nightstand or something like that. So I love it. You're gonna love it too. Alright, last but not least, now if you have an exterior space, maybe a balcony or patio, you want to check out the HYLLIS shelf unit. Now I use this in my balcony. What I love about it is because it's exterior, interior, interior, exterior. You can definitely bring it outside Or if you don't like it, put it inside, put it in the closet, get extra shelving. If you don't like the color, spray paint it, but it's very, very affordable and I think you're gonna love it. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. Comment down below which one is your favorite item. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. I really want to thank you so much for watching and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.